Hey everyone, I'm Momin Rahman. I'm a learner of Python, a beginner you can say. So I want to learn Python and solve the little problems, and as well as I want to improve my English. So I decided to so actually I decided to uh, creating either videos, so it can I think it can help my English language, and as well as the Python and to solve analytical problems or coding what is it, like coding problems. So that's why actually I want to create English content, so that can help my English, and I can improve my problem solving capability with later problem set. So today we'll see a problem called merge sorted. That is merge sorted array. So here the problem says that we are given two integer arrays nums1 and nums2 sorted in non-decreasing order. That means ascending order. Ascending order means 1 2 3 4, that's it, and decreasing order is 4 3 2 1, and two integer, and we'll be given more two integers, and then representing the number of elements in nums1 and nums2 respectively. So what we have to do, merge nums1 and nums2 into the single array sorted in non-decreasing order. So the final sorted array should not be returned by the function, but instead be sorted inside the array nums1. To accommodate this, nums1 has a length of n plus n, where the first time elements denotes the element that should be merged, and the last n elements are set to zeros and should be ignored. Okay, nums2 has length of n. Okay, all we have to do, like input set will be given 1 2 3 and 3 0 0 0. This means number of length of nums2. So if n is 4, then we'll get 4 zeros here. So let's say, so I did this. This is very simple question, but I want to describe more. So we have nums1, which is m length, and equal to here is 3, and extra 3 zeros actually we're getting from n equal to 3. So the question or statement says that we can ignore 3 zeros. So ignore the zeros, 3 zeros. Okay. Now we have to modify this nums1 in a sorted array. Sorted array is I previously said that 1 2 3 4 in an ascending order. So what, like 2, 3, then 5, then 6. So this is sorted. So we merge it, nums 2 into nums 1, and if we sort, or if I use built-in sort function, so it will be sort. So this is a very simple question. So if we ignore first, we have to ignore it, and zeros. So nums dot pop. What is the reason we use pop? Actually, it's two legs zeros from the back, so it's popping back from popping zeros from the back list, and decrease the n by 1. So this means actually I'm equal to n minus 1. So you can read it, and you can write like this, add nums 2 into nums 1. So okay, then so actually let's say explain the number 8 length. So after doing plus nums plus equal to nums 2, it would be like 2, 5, 6. That is the condition right now. So but what we see in a statement, we have to modify the nums 1. So it is a ascending order. In ascending order, which has nums 2 merged. So now we has the condition nums 1 like that. So if we sort that, nums 1 dot sort, so it solves our question, our problem. So okay, this is so after doing sorted, or this I think this is 3. Is it 1 to 3? Yeah, this is 3. Sorry. And what will be this 2 will be here. So yeah, now this is sorted. Look, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So this is sorted in ascending order. I think this is all actually. Problem what said. Let's check it, is it working or not. Yeah, let's submit. Accepted, and this is pretty much optimized. Runtime is 41 millisecond. This is beats 75.31%, and memory 66.08% of user with Python 3. So that's it. I will continue my problem solving videos, creating problem solving videos that does I can improve in my English as well as in problem solving skill. That's all. That's all for today. Thanks.